I'm Pete.
Good afternoon, I'm Matt.
And today we're out here in the garden restoring our Kouki lights.
Yeah, so the Kouki's a little bit of age to them now, so like any lights they get a little bit milky, a little bit of a sort of layer over the top.
Yeah, just a bit foggy really, isn't it? It's not quite got the clarity that you get off a new rear light. So
we've got some Meguiars, two-step headlight restoration kit.
Literally off the shelf in Halfords. They do a one-stepper which we used on the Ignis, which you might have seen in our buying a £100 car video. This is supposedly the better version of that, though it doesn't use a drill.
Yeah, no drill, it's more of like a hand finish that you kind of do yourself, so I thought we'd give it a go and see how sort of crisp we can get these looking. So yeah, we'll give it a go and see how they turn out. Yeah. A little before and after shot.
You might also be wondering why we're wearing chef's hats.
So let's crack on.
So the box contains some headlight coating that looks like deodorant. Some cleaning solution that they've put 2 labels on for some weird reason, and 2 little sort of scouring pads. I'll be honest, these actually don't feel that solid, Matt. They feel pretty soft. But I mean, it's got to work.
Straight out of the sink then?
Yeah, pretty much. I think they're actually firmer in the sink, but I suppose you don't want to be too rough with them, do you? So yeah. I should probably read the instructions. We're not going to do that. We're just going to put a bit of this on there and then rub it in, and then we're going to rub it off, and then we're going to see what happens.
Sounds bad.
It does actually. Obviously there's a seal on the bottle, like an idiot. And on to the other one. It doesn't actually feel like it's doing much, does it? No, to be honest.
I'm sure it's one of those ones where the end result you kind of just see it.
Yeah, well, so the other stuff, this like aerosol looking stuff, is supposed to just clean all of that off and then basically just bring the shine back. Do you know, one thing I think we should mention that we haven't done in anything is, if you have seen that Suzuki Ignis video where we drove to Scotland, we did actually go to the level of changing the gear knob to a carbon fibre penis before we left.
Yeah.
It's got
I think we put it in the video.
It's not in the video at all. So it's got like the same carbon fibre gear knob as the MR2, but like a shorter version, like a chode version. So that made the shifting just so good. Yeah. Also, the one thing we didn't mention is the passport photo that was in the car.
Yeah.
Where is that, Matt?
I don't know. Where did that even end up?
We don't know where it ended up. We literally put it in our pocket when we went to Turner's Beach with the idea of setting him to sea. Walked down there, got back up to the car, and then realised an hour later that we had no idea where it was.
I think he's in a petrol station somewhere.
Probably, yeah. So Luke, as we now know he's called.
Yeah, not Montgomery.
Not Montgomery. We found out, and that's why we didn't censor him as well. Luke is happy for his face to be in that video, so that's fine. I hope you enjoyed it, mate. But you're currently somewhere in Scotland.
And what you also didn't see in that video was the upgraded the dust caps.
Oh yeah, little
Suzuki
branded dust caps. My idea was to see how long it'd take for Matt to notice, and disappointingly noticed within pretty much the first hour or two, didn't it?
I was like, oh, I didn't realise it came with Suzuki dust caps. And
it's like, that's it didn't.
Okay, I think we're about where we need to be.
Yeah, I reckon so. Wow, they've come up really cloudy. Hopefully when we put the stuff on it, cleans it up, because they look worse than when we started, I'm not going to lie. But by the way, as soon as Matt had the opportunity to take the chef hat off, it was straight off. Okay, well, you give it the honours, mate. I don't really know what you do, to be honest. Do we wipe it?
We really should read.
Yeah, I know, we're just winging it here.
So...
Microfiber, good catch.
So what do you reckon, spray it on, leave it a minute and wipe it?
I reckon so. Oh, okay, that's
that was clear already.
Whoa. Please tell me they stay like that, because they look amazing. I mean, it stinks that though. Leave it like that.
Yeah, let it set like that.
Absolutely.
That looks really
That looks so good. If they stay like that, I will be made up. A lot of new lights, don't
Actually, does look brand new.
Wow.
Wow, they look so shiny.
Yeah, they do. I think it is, the thing is to leave it on because it's like a coating, isn't it?
Yeah, let it set. I think that's it. Spray it on, wipe it off, and then one last spray.
Yeah. Now these should really complement the really out there colour that we've wrapped it. Matt, what's your opinion on the colour?
I love it. You probably think we're bluffing saying an out there colour, but it is actually quite
Pretty
out there. Yeah. But that's good because you don't want the safe sort of colour that everyone does.
Absolutely not. Could have done a red MR2 and it would look great because MR2s look good in red, but so does every other MR2 in the country.
Yeah, no, it's really good, and especially with your wheels as well. Like, I think it's going to look great.
One thing that we've not shown in a video yet is I have got a very nice set of wheels.
Very nice.
Very nice. Tucked just behind the garage.
But yeah, and they're
Damn!
they've just been finishing the colour as well, and it's going to look really good together.
Should complement it quite nicely.
Yeah.
So they have come up lovely.
See?
And we're going to top it off with some nice cream fraiche.
Wow. They look so good on camera as well.
Not a chance. They came up an absolute treat, I've got to say.
Really impressed with that stuff. Well, I didn't not think it wouldn't work, but I don't know, I just didn't think it'd work that well.
It's obviously a well-known brand, isn't it? So it's probably going to do a good job. But
you can trust Meguiars, but yeah, definitely worth doing if you've got like slightly aging lights.
But that worked out really well, really easy. Took 15 minutes, if that.
Yeah, if that.
And we were going overboard as well. So, other than that, progress is being made with this car at a crazy pace.
Yeah, and it's going to look really fresh now with these and what we've done today. Stay tuned, it's going to be good.
It's going to be a very different car. He's probably going to get renamed from John. There's a reason for that as well.
Definitely not a John anymore.
It's not a John anymore. And also, the guy that suggested the name John has called his own Toyota John. We're not having that, so we're changing that. So, short and sweet. Hope you enjoyed. Nice and easy.
Yeah, thanks for watching. Also, you can drop us a follow on Instagram because we're putting stuff up most days, little updates on where we're up to with the MR2 and the Scoob and whatever else we're doing.
And if you're not subscribed yet, consider dropping us a subscribe if you've watched this far in the video. It's like this every video, isn't it?
Yeah.
Just chat and do stuff.
Yeah. Get it done at the end of the day.
Yeah, absolutely. So thank you very much for watching.
Yep, see you on the next one.
Cheers, guys. Yeah.